Greetings! Thanks for joining me today. My name is Dr. Jeanette DeWitt, and I'm a doctor of physical therapy. I specialize in medical massage and performance coaching. Today, I want to look at another exercise that goes with my theme here at the Wellness Track for January, where we're looking at combining stability with mobility. One, because they work together, but two, so that you can condense your training and combine things together in a more functional way. Last week, we talked about some warm-up drills, and I want to expand a little bit on that, but slow it down to focus more on using mobility with core stability. So there's a couple ways to do this. If you keep your shoes on, that actually helps with your balance, because we're also going to be integrating balance. If you keep your shoes off, you're going to challenge your balance a little bit more. So let's take a look at a knee driver with a reverse lunge. When we do that, I'm going to slow this down and then we'll speed it up slightly, but not too much, because the focus is on stability. When we come up, we want to still focus on form. So you're driving that knee up, you're incorporating your arms, you're bringing your toes up, contracting your abdominals. Your core stability is coming from your abdominals, your back, as well as integration with your pelvis and glutes and hip flexors. So there's a lot going on, and this exercise is going to help address all of it. So we come up this way, and then this is the knee driver exercise, and then you come back into that reverse lunge. Now, the tricky part is slowing it down to test your balance and activate your stabilizing muscles. If we do it quick, we're really looking at more of a cardio workout or an endurance exercise. But when we slow it down and actually hold each position for 5 seconds, we're working on that balance and stabilization component. So we come here, we want to exhale on that, then inhale, and then exhale over 5 seconds and hold. And you may feel like your leg is wobbling. That's okay, because in the beginning, that's exactly what's going to happen. But then we want to come up and see there's a little bit of a balance challenge there. And we're going to hold for 5 seconds on the exhale. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and hold. And we just need to do about 3 to 5 of these, and you will feel this muscle really working. Plus your ankles are stabilizing. So this will be number 4, I believe. And then we want to switch legs. So now we switch over to that knee driver. Again, we've got that exhale, inhale, and come back and stabilize and hold for 5 seconds. Inhale, exhale, and really hold that. And if you struggle with this, it's okay to stand next to like the kitchen counter or stand in a door frame, and you can kind of use the door frame or the counter for balance. But you can see this is not easy. When you have to stabilize and hold the movement, it takes a lot more strength, stability, and balance while you are working on mobility. So while the moving side is focused on mobility, the non-moving side is focused on stabilization and balance. This is a great technique exercise to really break down where somebody might be having deficits with their running technique, and also challenging that core, because when you bring this up, it's like you're activating the muscles like if you were doing a sit-up. You're just doing the reverse sit-up. So you're activating muscles in a functional way, which is what we want, because that's going to translate to movement. Whether you're a runner, whether you ruck like I do, this is going to help with hill training. But if you don't do those, you walk, you do some other type of sport, this helps with even the simple activity of climbing the steps, going up and down the steps, and so forth. So this helps and translates into everyday activity as well into sport-specific activities. I hope that you find this helpful, and if you want to check this out even more, just DM me so that you can sign up for my Stronger Every Season newsletter, or just take a look. Facebook will take this off in about 72 hours, and they won't really show it as much, but you can go into my YouTube channel and find this video there. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.